Hello, grade 7 students. Welcome to my tutorial in quarter 3, week number 6, and ready to answer activity number 1. So at the end of this session, you will be able to derive inductively the relationship of exterior and interior angles of a convex polygon. Take note that the sum of the interior angles of a polygon is equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees, where s is the sum of interior angles and n is the number of sides. For example, what is the sum of the interior angles of a five-sided polygon? Okay, so for our solution, you will start on the formula of the sum of the interior angles. So we have S is equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees. The number of sides is 5. Therefore, we will have 5 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees. And that is 5 minus 2 equals 3 times 180 degrees. So we have 540 degrees. Therefore, the sum of the interior angles of a five-sided polygon is 540 degrees. The sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is always 360 degrees. Okay, so we have the keyword always. Sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is always 360 degrees. For example, what is the sum of the exterior angles of a five-sided polygon? Answer: the sum of the exterior angles of a five-sided polygon is 360 degrees. Okay, same true to other types of polygon, just like triangle, quadrilateral, heptagon, octagon, and other types of polygon. To find the number of sides of a regular polygon, use the formula below. So in symbol, we have n is equal to s over 180 degrees plus 2. Okay, so let's have an example. What is the number of sides of a polygon when the sum of its interior angles is 360 degrees? Solution. So you will start on the given formula. N is equal to S over 180 degrees plus 2. And that is 360 degrees divided by 180 degrees, and that is 2 plus 2. The number of sides is 4. To find the number of each exterior angle of a regular polygon, we divide 360 degrees by the number of sides. Let's say, what is the measure of each exterior angle of pentagon? Exterior angle should be 360 divided by the number of sides of pentagon. We have 5. So that is 72. Therefore, the measure of each exterior angle of a pentagon is 72 degrees. Okay, so in your activity sheets entitled In or Out, you are going to use the given information to complete the table. Round off to the nearest 10 if necessary. Please attach your computation. Okay, so let's say in number 1, the number of sides is 10. How to compute for the interior angle sum? Okay, the answer here is 1,440. And that is taken from the formula of interior angle sum. S is equal to n minus 2 times 180 degrees. That is equal to n, which is 10, minus 2 is 8, times 180. So we will have 1,440. Next, for the measure of one interior angle, okay, we are talking about the regular polygon. The answer here is 144, and that is taken from measure of one interior angle should be interior angle sum divided by number of sides. So 1,440 divided by 10, that gives 144. Next, exterior angle sum. From the previous slide, the sum of the exterior angle of any polygon is equal to 360 degrees. Next, in the last column, measure of one exterior angle. The answer is 360, and that is taken from measure of one exterior angle is equal to the exterior angle sum, which is 360 degrees, divided by the number of sides, and that is 10. So that gives 36 degrees. Next, your guide in answering numbers 4 and 5. So you will start on computing the number of sides in the first column. S, which is 1080 divided by 180 degrees plus 2. Dito ilalagay yung sagot. 180 divided by 1080 divided by 180. Your result will be added by 2. Okay, next. How about in the third column, measure of one interior angle? Interior angle sum divided by number of sides. So in here, 1080 divided by your computed number of sides. Okay. Next, exterior angle sum is always 360. So in here, 360. And to compute for the one exterior angle, it should be the exterior angle sum, which is 360 degrees, divided by your computed number of sides. That's why the number of sides is very important to answer the remaining columns. Okay. Your guide in answering number 6, 7, and 8. As I have said, you always start on the number of sides. Exterior angle sum, which is 360 degrees, divided by 180 minus one interior angle, which is 120. That gives the number of sides. 360 degrees divided by 180 minus 120, the result will be written below the number of sides or under number of sides. Next, to measure the measure of one interior angle sum in here, it should be one interior angle 120 multiplied by the number of sides. Again, to compute for the measure of one interior angle, which is 120, multiplied by the computed number of sides. Okay, exterior angle sum, and then measure of one exterior angle. Okay, so exterior angle sum divided by the number of sides. 360 divided by the computed number of sides. Next, for numbers 9 and 10. The given here is measure of one exterior angle. We have 18 degrees, we have 15 degrees. So you will start on looking for the number of sides. So that is 360 degrees divided by measure of one exterior angle. Okay, I repeat, 360 degrees divided by measure of one exterior angle. Next, for the interior angle sum, the second column, use the formula, the computed number of sides minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees. Next, for measure of one interior angle sum, your computed interior angle sum divided by the computed number of sides. So it's just a matter of division process. Interior angle sum divided by the number of sides. Okay, exterior angle sum is 360 degrees. So that ends our session. Thank you and have a nice day. Goodbye.